Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the codec and container so you know what Premiere can't read. Open a lightweight inspector like Media Info. Note codec name, bitrate, and frame rate. Once done, make sure your Premiere build is current and list any third-party codecs required. If the file uses a proprietary or camera-specific codec, you need either an official plugin or to transcode. This targeted check saves time and prevents blind trial-and error when you move to conversion or plugin installation. Now you either transcode the file to an edit-friendly codec or add the codec to your system. Use FFmpeg or Handbrake to convert a short clip to ProRes or DNxHD at the original resolution. This retains quality and ensures Premiere compatibility. Alternatively, install the camera maker's codec or a QuickTime component if the format requires it. Once installed or converted, import a 10-20-second segment into Premiere to confirm audio, timecode, and frame rate match expectations before processing the full clip. Finish by importing the validated clip and relinking or replacing any offline media in your timeline. Make sure Premiere's project frame rate and sequence preset match the clip. Also clear the media cache to remove stale data. If you still see unsupported compression errors, re-export from the original camera app or a universal converter using baseline H. 264 or ProRes settings, then try again. A key troubleshooting tip: if multiple files fail, test on another machine to isolate a local codec or OS issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.